how are you doing today?
Good.
All right, you ready to do some math?
Mhm.
All right, so what are we doing today? We're doing place value. So place value is super fun and something that I really love to teach. By the end of the day today, you'll be able to determine the place values for each digit within a number, and you'll also be able to create groupings based upon place value. So I know we haven't really talked about place value, but what do we already know about it? So last week we actually learned how to count to 100, a super big number. I'm so proud of you for learning how to do that. So this means that we can count to numbers that have the place values of ones, tens, and even hundreds. So what is place value? So place value is used to group numbers that are larger than the number 9. So numbers can belong to the ones, tens, and hundred places. So let's go ahead and look at these 10 frames below. So do you remember last week how I told you each box has 10 items in it?
Yep.
So this is actually the number 20. So the number 20 has 2 tens and 0 ones. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So let's say that this is the number 21 and we have another circle out here. So the number 21 has 2 tens and it has 1 1, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and practice. So go ahead and give me a random number.
63.
63. Okay, so 63 has 6 tens and 3 ones. Okay?
Mhm.
Alright, let's go ahead and do another one. Pick another number.
57.
So 57. 57 has 5 tens and 7 ones. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you one, okay?
All right.
I pick the number... let's do 98. So how many tens are there in the number 98?
9.
How many ones are there?
8.
8. Good job. So down here we can see that, like, here's the numeral 98, so it's 90 plus 8, and it can also be seen as the word 98. Good job. All right, I have another one that might be kind of tricky, okay?
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, so what's this number?
100.
All right, how many ones does it have?
0.
How many tens does it have?
0.
How many hundreds does it have?
1.
Good job. You're so good. All right, do you want to do one more? Go ahead. Give me a good number. You can make it hard too. You can make it higher than 100.
305.
305? Okay. All right. So 305 has 3 hundreds, 0 tens, and 5 ones. Good job, Elena. All right, we're going to go ahead and do our next thing. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and put these out, and I want you to tell me what number this is. All right? All right, Melena, what number is this?
35.
35. Good job. All right, so in the number 35, how many tens are there?
3.
How many ones are there?
5.
5. Good job. All right, let's do another one. All right, what number is this?
57.
57. Let's see. 1, 2, 5. Yep, that's 50. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. All right, so 57. All right. You ready? Do you know what number this is?
100?
100. Good job. Good job. Now, what if I add one of these? What number is that?
101.
Okay. Do you know what number it is if I add one of those?
110?
110. Good job. All right. So let's see. Do you want to do another one?
Sure.
All right. So how about this? You tell me how many of each thing to put out, okay?
Right.
And then you'll pick like your own number. You ready? So how many
Yeah.
ones? How many ones do you want me to put out?
8.
8. Okay. How many 10s?
3.
And do you want any 100s?
1.
Oh my goodness, this is a big number, Melina. Okay, so we have 100, right? 100. Then we have 10, 20, 30. So we have 130, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 138 blocks on our screen. All right, Melina, let's see. So that's all I have for today, okay? All right.
Yeah.
Good job, Melina. I'll see you later. Bye.
Yeah.